students, in this video I will tell you about functions and types of functions. First is functions. Let x comma y be two non-empty sets. A subset of x cross y, that is Cartesian product of two sets, is called a function from x to y if for each x belonging to set x there exists unique y belonging to set y such that x comma y, this ordered pair, belongs to the function. It is written as f is mapping from x to y. In other words, a function from x to y is a rule which associates to each element x of x a unique element y of a y. Then we have types of functions. One function. A function f mapping from x to y is defined to be 1 Other name of 1 is injective if the image of different elements, distinct elements means different elements of x under f are distinct. That is, for every x1 comma x2 belonging to x, fx1 is equal to fx2. This implies x1 is equal to x2. It will be more clear to you with the help of this ray diagram. Set x and set y. Set x is having 4 elements, set y is having 4 elements, and if you see, the association of elements is like this. Element 1 is associated with b, 2 with c, 3 with a, and 4 with d. So these different elements have different images here in set y. So that is why this function is called 1 function. Then we have many one function. Clear from the name, many one. For many values we have one value. A function f mapping from a to b is said to be many one function if two or more elements of set a have the same image in set b. Now see here in ray diagram, element 1 in set a is associated with a or having image a, 2 is having image b, 4 is again having image b, and 3 is having image c. So these two elements 2 and 4 have the same image b. So these many values have one value. That is why it is called many one function. After this we have onto function. Onto function, a function f mapping from a to b is said to be onto. Other name of onto is surjective if and only if each element of b is the image of some elements of a. That is, for every y belonging to b there exists some x belonging to a such that y is equal to fx. Thus f is onto if range of f is equal to codomain of f. Now this condition we will use in proving the questions. Now see this ray diagram. Set a and set b. Set 1 is in set a, elements 1 and 2 are associated with a, or elements 1 and 2 have image a, 3 is having image b, and 4 is having image c. If you see, this set is codomain and a, b, c are the range of these elements. Now if you see no element is left here in set b, it means every element of set b has their pre-images. Now a, b, c is the range of the set, and range of the set is equal to codomain. This whole is codomain. So when range of f is equal to codomain of f, then the function is onto. Otherwise, if any one element is left here which is not having pre-image, here we don't have. Let us take d. If d is left here, then this function is called into. So when the function is not onto, it is into function. After this we have composition of functions. Let f is mapping from a to b and g is mapping from b to c, be two functions. Then the composition of f and g is denoted by GOF. Again you see this with the help of this ray diagram. A, B and C. F is mapping from A to B and G is mapping from B to C. Then if this GOF is mapping from A to C, then we call it is the composition of the function. After this we have the order of the events. That is, order of the events occur from right to the left. That is, GOF reads composite of F and G. And then we have invertible function. F is mapping from x to y is 1 onto function, and if fx is equal to y, then f inverse is mapping from y to x, defined by f inverse y is equal to x, is called an inverse function of f. Now you see here function f, here domain is x and codomain is y, but in inverse of the function it is denoted by f inverse. Here domain is y and codomain is x. It is just opposite of this. That is why it is called invertible function. That's all. Thank you.